This is going to be a video tutorial on how to delete your browsing history automatically in the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To set up your browser to delete browsing history automatically, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left hand corner, up to the little Vivaldi logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. The keyboard shortcut for Settings is Control plus F12. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, down a little ways, you'll see right here, Save Browsing History. By default, it's probably set to 3 months, but you could click this drop down. You could choose between this session only, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, down to forever. If you click on forever, it'll save your browsing history forever. If you click on session only, it deletes your browsing history every time you close your browser. That is how to delete your browsing history automatically in the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.